How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and doing the revision work also, my dear, because it is very important for you all. And wherever you will face problem, you all just note it down in your copy and you can ask that question in the class also from your teacher. Whoever is your class teacher, you can share those questions with your class teacher and they will explain you again. Okay, now we will see the first question. Which city became first to get UNESCO heritage tag? UNESCO heritage tag. UNESCO is an international community which gives this tag, and it was Ahmedabad. It is Ahmedabad in India. Now let me explain you what is the heritage. The meaning of heritage. Heritage is our legacy from the past, what we live with today and what we pass on to future generation. You know, India was very rich in education, in spices, paintings, literature. India is very rich in these things, and earlier if you will go in the past, you will see that our Nalanda University, Vikramshila University, all these famous universities was established in Bihar, because in India Bihar was having a very good position that was known as Magad Empire in our history, and Magad Empire was the biggest empire in India, and first democracy was established in Bihar that time. So we people are very rich in our cultural and natural heritage. Our math, Aryabhat, our science, our Madhubani paintings, Darbhanga Mithila paintings, these are worldwide famous, my dear, and they are known for its finishing. So we Biharis or we Indians are very rich in many things, and we need to pass these things. And this year in this year by UNESCO, Ahmedabad became the first. It got the tag to be the first in passing these things. I will show you the picture of Ahmedabad also. See here, picture taken from the upside. Who is the Finance Minister of India? And Finance Minister of India is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, and she is the first female Finance Minister of India for a full time. See the picture of our Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. She is India's first full-time female Finance Minister. She presented her maiden budget in India Parliament on 5 July 2019 and Union Budget 2021 on 1st February 2020. Now see, what is the full form of ICC? And full form of ICC is Indian Cricket Council. The India men's national cricket team, also known as Team India or Men in Blue, is governed by BCCI, that is Board of Control for Cricket in India, and is a full member of the International Cricket Council. That was Indian Cricket Council, and this is International Cricket Council with Test One Day International and 2020 international status. Now let us see the next question. Which is the first city in India to have Wi-Fi connectivity in public places? And Mumbai, this is also known as Maya Nagari. Mumbai is the most advanced city in our country, and it is having Wi-Fi connectivity in public places also. I will show you the picture of Mumbai. See here. And in the next picture, my dear, see. Mumbai, it is located at the sea beach, means seashore, and here see in this how much time it takes to reach from here to here. A bridge is made, and it reduces the time, because in Mumbai you will see most of the people, it takes lots of time to reach from one place to another where they work, from working place to living place. So this bridge was built to minimize the time taken in the communication. Who is the Home Minister of India? And Mr. Amit Shah is the Home Minister of India. I am showing you the picture of Mr. Amit Shah. What is the full form of BCCI? And the full form of BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India. My dear, I am showing you the Board of Control of Cricket in India was set up on 4th December 1928. That time we were governed by the Britishers, and that time group of players at Delhi Roshanara Club to end the monopoly in cricket. Monopoly means a person, means there is no option, you don't have option. Who is governing? Whatever he likes you will have to do. This is the meaning of monopoly. Just that whatever one person is there in the market who will govern as they want. Okay, so to end the British monopoly in cricket, BCCI had 6 regional bodies as its first member. Today it has 30 full-time members. Now see who is the present DM of Patna. Mr. Chandrasekhar Singh. And why it is important current affairs for you all, when the temperature of Patna increases, when the temperature of Patna decreases, your DM uncle gives you order so that school should be closed for small children. Otherwise they will be affected from chill cold or too much heat. Right now it is another thing that our Chief Minister is taking the decision, or Prime Minister is taking the decision for lockdown, because it is an epidemic period. It is very bad period, my dear. I think when you all will grow up, you all will also remember that when I was a child, that time our school was closed for more than 1.5 years. So this decision right now Prime Minister and Chief Minister is taking, but in the normal days, usually what happens in Patna, DM takes the decision, correct decision, for the protection of our children and for the benefit of our city also, we can say. See the picture of DM of Patna. Thank you, my dear. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for learning these things, and better do your work very nicely in very neat and clean handwriting. First you will write HW and date, and in the last class also you have written current affairs, so no need of writing again, no need of giving again the heading current affairs and general awareness. Only you will give the numbering and you will start writing question and answer. In between leave one line wherever you have ended the previous day work. After that leave one line, write SW and date, and start your question answer in very neat and clean handwriting. And once more I will tell you that whichever question you are not able to understand, You just note it down and ask this from your class teachers in the class. Thank you, dear. Have a nice day.